everyone, Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the Chapter 2, Auditing for Errors. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the Chapter 2, Auditing for Errors. In the last video, I did a review video of the Chapter 2 lessons. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the Chapter 2, Auditing for Errors. So the instructions say the bookkeeper for Lyons Company used T accounts to analyze 3 transactions as follows. Alright, so as you can see here, transaction number 1 uses the accounts cash and Ruth Lyons capital. Transaction number 2 uses the accounts payable and supplies. And transaction number 3 uses the accounts receivable and sales. Additionally, the instructions are also asking us to review the 3 sets of T accounts and answer the following questions. Question number 1 is asking us which T account analysis is incorrect and how did we determine that it was incorrect. And question number 2 is asking us what information would we need to determine the correct T account analysis for this transaction. Okay, so now that I have read over the instructions, let's jump right into the Chapter 2, Auditing for Errors. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the Chapter 2, Auditing for Errors. So question number 1 is asking us which T account analysis is incorrect and how did we determine that it was incorrect. Okay, so if you take a look at these 3 transactions here, as you can see, transaction number 1 has a debit and a credit. Transaction number 3 has a debit and a credit. However, transaction number 2 has a credit and a credit, but no debit. So transaction number 2's T account analysis is incorrect, and we determined that this T account analysis is incorrect because there is no debit for this transaction. Alright, so that is the answer to the first question. This second and final question is asking us what information would we need to determine the correct T account analysis for this transaction. Okay, so if you take a look back at transaction number 2, in order to make this T account analysis correct, we need to switch the amount in the supplies T account from the credit side over to the debit side in order for there to be a debit and a credit, and to also make this transaction become bought supplies on account $500. All right, so that is the answer to the second and final question, and it's also the end of the Chapter 2, Auditing for Errors. So in the next video, I will be going over the 2-6 challenge problem. Okay, hope to see you there. Bye!